Hello, and welcome to this InsuredMine Demo. Thanks for watching. We're excited to share a little bit more about what we're doing with other independent agencies today. My name is Tucker Hood. I'm head of sales here at InsuredMine. The goal of today is to share how other independent agencies are achieving the following: an increase of efficiency by 30%, revenue growth of up to 37%, and cost savings of 25%. You may be asking, Tucker, how do we do this? Well, we do this through our acronym SEAM, which stands for Sales, Engagement, Analytics, and Mobility. It's also achieved through deep integrations with agency management systems, having an all-in-one system for your go-to-market around that agency management system, and the process that we provide as it relates to onboarding, training, templates, and the playbook that other agencies are using today to achieve some of the results that we've already talked through. So let's go ahead and dive right in and start with sales. So when I think about sales, I think about pipeline, and we think about how a lead comes in. So if you're using some sort of rating system, like a PL Rater, a Quote Rush, or a number of others, we can pull that into the pipeline here. And what the pipeline is basically a look into what is in my current book of business, or what do I have coming down the funnel? What new business opportunities do I have? So again, whether it's a lead on your website, it's a quoting tool, you're zapping something in from a Facebook or an Instagram lead, the idea is to pull that in, be able to see that opportunity for new business and have it in the right stage. I can always key this in, whether it's a personal or commercial deal, a life and health deal, and at that point, it's now dropped into the pipeline. At that point, I want to be moving these deals through the funnel so I can see exactly where they're at. All these pipelines are completely customizable, super easy to create, and all the stages within each pipeline are customizable as well. So you could have a new business pipeline. You could even separate that into personal, commercial, life and health. A lot of folks work their service into this, where they have a service pipeline. Maybe it's a renewal pipeline, so I can see where everything is. And again, know exactly where my customers are so that I can send them the right message at the right time. Around this, we may want to create automation. So there's different automation that can be started, whether it's moving a card based on some certain trigger happening, whether it's an email and a text that's going out based on the fact that a lead has come in. All this automation can be set up by deal stage. Around this, we've got some really cool deal charts to show you exactly how your business is trending. Obviously, this is a demo environment, so some of this data is not populated, but I would be able to see across my agents, across pipelines, how many activities are being done, tasks are being done, etc., how I'm trending toward my sales goals, how I'm quoting to close, my pipeline by agents, even how different agents are performing against one another. The whole idea is to better understand my business so I can make data-driven decisions and see exactly how I'm trending. Now, with other CRMs, you may have to create these manually. Again, purely built for insurance here. This is plug and play, easy to set up. And if you feel overwhelmed, don't. This is, again, with training, onboarding, with the right process, easy to set up, and a plug and play situation that's built purely for insurance. So continuing on, when I think about sales, I think about goals, which we've gone through. Maybe it's task management. So just like you would in your agency management system, you can manage tasks here, a little bit easier to use. And with a lot of the systems, these tasks that are being done can sync back to that agency management system to show that they've been created, to show that they've been completed. Awesome. Now that we've talked a little bit about how things move through the pipeline and sales, let's talk a little bit about around engagement. So we believe today that about 30 or 40% of your communication can be automated. So whether that's a pure email campaign, pure text campaign, single contact drip to an individual, or it's a pre-built template that's already there, this automation can be done based on what you know about individuals and where they are in your current book of business. So whether it's around their birthday, they've just become a new client of yours and you want to welcome them or ask them for a Google review. If you're a life and health agent and you're targeting around clients turning 65, maybe it's X dates, cross-sell opportunities, win-backs. All of these are opportunity to engage and a missed opportunity if you're not reaching out around these times. So when I think about an opportunity, this is a chance to do business. When I don't have anything to do, or I'm trying to blow away my quota or grow my agency, what are those things that can move the needle? All of these are easy to see, easy to digest, easy to target around, save reports to, and build my business around. Outside of this, if you're looking at any type of list that you want to create, we make slicing and dicing data very easy. So I essentially pick a filter, whether it's an active client, it's a prospect, and maybe I want to look at all my home but not auto. Within a matter of seconds, I have now built this list that's dynamic, that I can export. I can send a text, send an email, or save this as a live or static list to start targeting. Now, when I build some sort of drip around this, anytime that somebody enters this list and meets that criteria, they'll receive the communication that I want going out. What's amazing about InsuredMine is you can email, you can text, you can call, you can take notes, you can set tasks, and I can do that from a number of places, whether it's through the automation that I just went through or individual deal card here, where I can see essentially every activity that's been done, and I can do my go-to-market from here. Pretty awesome, right? Around this, we do have pre-built templates that you can use, whether it's more marketing automation campaigns, like an email template, or templates that look like short text, like a text coming from a buddy or a friend that you can plug and play into a drip campaign and help your agents right from the get-go. We've talked through sales. We've talked through engagement. We've talked through a little bit of analytics, but maybe we're looking at a dashboard, and all of this is customizable, meaning leadership can see different things in different agents. There is admin and agent level control, where I'd be able to see different pipelines, different data points based on who I am in the organization. Now that we understand that, I've got a dashboard here where I can see how my business is doing, how my business is trending, how I'm writing policies, how I'm doing across different branches, what expiration dates I have coming up. Just about any widget that you can imagine, we've got built out here. This one's pretty cool, being able to see exactly what contact details are missing at any point, and then I can obviously run a campaign around that to get a date of birth, a missing email, a missing phone number, and then make sure that I have that clean in the database and then can target around that with the campaigns that I'm running. So again, all of these widgets, all of these modules are essentially customizable and up to you. We do have a form builder. So if you are integrating with one of your quoting systems like a QuoteRush or a PL Rater, that information can be used via form, maybe a contact us form on your website. We have plenty of templates for this as well. We do have a calendar type feature like a Calendly, where you would be able to send out scheduling links. And then any of the data and reporting that you're trying to do, I can build reports around, whether it's looking at my monoline policies, looking at who has 2, who has 3 policies, whether it's breaking down data by agents and filtering data around that. The whole goal here is to allow you to slice and dice your data very easily and then make that actionable. The last part is mobility to our SEAM acronym. So we do have a customer mobile app. We do have an agent mobile app coming here in the very near future, where insureds currently can see their policy information, different files, update contact information, and very soon agents will be able to log into this app, do communication with their customers, see everything that they can in the dashboard that you're looking at today in the portal. And the last piece of that is an actual client portal where insureds can log in from a desktop, see that information that we just talked about in the mobile app. And the idea here, again, is to be an add-on to an agency management system where you have all your go-to-market tools, CRM, marketing automation, all in one place. So I hope this demo was insightful. Feel free to sign up for a free trial, to reach out to us directly, and we're excited to work with you. Let's get set and automate. Cheers. Have a good day.